You have been studying UI UX for months and you still can't explain what the difference actually is. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to explain the real difference between UI and UX. And shout out to this person who dropped a comment requesting this video. So welcome back and let's dive in. Imagine you are on a website or a mobile app. It looks stunning with beautiful colors and cool fonts. But for some reason you can't find the contact button. Or you are using an app that works perfectly fine, but it looks like it was designed in 1998. That's the gap between UI and UX. UX stands for user experience. It's how a product works and how you feel when you use it. UI stands for user interface. It's the visual side like buttons, colors, and spacing. Imagine you go to a restaurant. UI is everything you see. The menu design, the colors, the lighting, and the way the food looks. UX is your experience. Was it easy to order? Did the food come fast? Did you enjoy the whole process? If the restaurant looks amazing but the waiter ignores you and the menu is confusing and you can't even find a place to sit, that's a bad user experience. But if everything is smooth, fast, and easy, then you have a great user experience. That's exactly how apps and websites also work. Now let's look at something you use every day. Instagram. When you double tap a photo to like it, a little heart pops up, right? That's UI. A designer chose that specific shade of red and that smooth animation. But why did they put the like button at the bottom of the photo? Because your thumb can easily reach it. That's user experience. They studied user behavior and realized that placing this button at the top would be uncomfortable. So the best products combine both UI and UX. There are various myths and mistakes especially beginners make in this UI UX field. So UI and UX are not the same thing. They work together but they are different roles. Also, UI is not just making things pretty. UI is about communication. If a button is red, it usually means stop, delete, or it gives a warning. If a UI designer makes a save button red, they have failed. UI uses visuals to guide the user. Also, when you are designing, you can't just rely on assumptions. You have to do research. You also need to consider accessibility and make sure the product is usable for everyone. And UI UX design is not just Figma. Figma is only one tool. There are many other tools you can use like Framer, Sketch, and Adobe XD. For your career, you can choose either UI or UX or even do both. Go for UI design if you enjoy visual design, colors, typography, and making things look clean and modern. Go for UX design if you enjoy problem solving, understanding user behavior, and thinking about flows and structure. Now in 2026, many people, especially in startups, they do both UI and UX. We call them UI UX designers. It allows you to handle the whole process from the first idea to the final design. So think of UI and UX as two sides of the same coin. One makes it work, the other makes it beautiful. Good design needs both of them. Now you know the difference between UI and UX. Next time you use an app, try to notice the UI and UX separately. It will completely change how you see design. If this video helped you, hit like, and if you want to learn how to design a landing page UI UX, you can just check out this. I will see you in the next video.